Yes, hi, I'm Yvette. I've lived in this house for nearly 6 years now. I thought, well, a brick house, a sort of old-fashioned brick house, you probably can't go wrong with. What I didn't realise was actually an old brick house can be very cold. Well, I call it's a hot house. So not only were the walls insulated, by injection, but then around the window frames were sealed by, as part of the job, and so that made quite a difference as well. And I mean, I described it. I was here while it was being installed, and it literally felt like having a blanket wrapped around the house. That was how I described it. It became very quiet, and just felt comfortable and warm. It was midwinter when it was done. It was very, very cold, so it was frosty. And normally, so during the night, I would have had my head under the covers, would have been, rushed out to the toilet, got back into bed as soon as possible, and I knew instantly, and I could see that the temperature was near zero, and in the house it was into double figures, and previously, and that was with no heating, and previously it would have been only 1 or 2 degrees higher than the outdoor temperature. So it was immediate. I suppose the other thing that I would say is to know what clothes to wear, living in Dunedin. I used to know as soon as I got up in the morning, but now I have to look at the outside temperature on the thermometer and perhaps step outside to decide what I'm going to wear, because otherwise I find that I go out and I'm not wearing enough clothes. Incredibly likely, I've recommended it to many, many people, some of whom have gone ahead with it. It's not particularly expensive. And so I just think there are so many more people who could benefit from living in a warm, comfortable home at quite a small outlay, that I'd like other people to know about that.